Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Evan here with the turbo build. Last time that we did a video, we were doing the front subframe install, and I've got that complete. I know we had that one bolt that was being a little bit of pain, but I was able to clean the threads up and get that in there. So the whole front subframe is in the car now. I did a little test fit because I was getting anxious to see the calipers and wheels. So basically just kind of hung the calipers up there in the wheel just to see what it looked like. I got the back subframes, hubs, all that stuff on there. Same thing, just trying to see how it looked like. You know, it looks awesome, so that's good. But today I'm trying to get the kind of front end wrapped up. I'm making my way from the driver's side to the passenger side. And so in this fender well, we've got, so the GT3 style comes with these brake cooling. To be honest with you, I'm not sure exactly what they are, but they look cool. So got those cleaned up off the ones I had. And something about me, I know a lot of people like to use OEM bolts. Whenever I can use a better bolt, better looking bolt, I kind of just do that. So every bolt that I can replace, I replace it with a stainless steel Allen bolt all the way through. Got all the lines ran that go through this fender well. You got your kind of your brake booster vacuum line, all your brake lines, your TPMS antenna, and then some of these wires are for the washer fluid reservoir. We're not running that, so I'll just clean that up, put it back there. Something I did notice was that the main harness that your speed sensor goes into and your brake pad sensor goes into is different on the GT3 than the turbo. I got it routed somewhat decent. I'm gonna try to clean that up a little bit. And also your PASM on GT3 on the bottom. So I gotta pull that in from the inside and get it mounted up looking nice. Got this radiator hung, all new hoses inside and out for the radiators. The radiators actually in a little bit worse shape than I thought they were. We're gonna rock with them for right now. Probably replace them with a CRF radiators at some point. But for right now, we're gonna keep kind of moving across, try to get the center and the right front radiator in, and then put the AC evaporators on there, because that's one more line that should run kind of up through here and into the car. So yeah, we'll kind of keep rolling the front end and make our way around and start running the lines underneath the car as well, get everything plumbed, and then kind of see where we go from there. So like I said, you know, we want to replace all the rubber we can. So all new, yeah, just from Porsche, from the dealer. Yeah, while you're in there, you might as well. And they're prone to leaking too. So yeah, we got the front kind of put together now. There's not much more that goes on here. We have the crash bar that goes up here. Thanks guys for watching. Kind of a little of me working on it. Made some pretty good progress on the car. I knew once I got past the wiring, harness and all that stuff, we kind of be able to start rolling, because this stuff's pretty easy. I've done it a million times, so it's not too bad. A few more things to put in up here. Missing some AC stuff. I got to figure out where I need to get that from, and then kind of work my way underneath the car back with all the piping. I guess get back on the inside, and gotta drop the engine off for dry ice cleaning. Gonna have that done. It's just way easier for somebody else to do it than me try to clean it. And then still need to figure out the bumper situation. And then once the engine is back, we can put that back in there and fit the fenders and all that stuff, and yeah, we'll be good to go. So thanks guys for watching, and tune in. Any questions or comments, please leave below. Thank you.